Hello, sir. Good morning. This is MD Alif Hussain, ID 2511401. At first, I thank my honorable coach teacher to giving me this opportunity to start my presentation. Now, let me share about my presentation. So, my presentation topic is um, navigating the marketing environment. So here I mention some agendas. These agendas are covered of these presentations. First of all, introductions, understanding, then understanding the cultural environment, then cultural values in BD marketing part one, then cultural values in BD marketing part two, then a link to marketing concept, then environmental management perspective, then around sustainable practices, and the last one is conclusion. So first of all is introductions. Introductions means the marketing environment consists of all external forces and actors that affect a company's ability to build and maintain successful relation with its target customer. This environment includes everything from the immediate forces like our customers and competitors like a microenvironment to the large societal factor like cultural shifts and economic trends like a macro environment. Understanding these forces is essential for effective marketing strategy. Now, the second slide is understanding the cultural environment. First of all, core values. Deep-seated beliefs that are highly resistant to change, such as profound importance of family and community ties in Bangladesh. Second one is secondary values. Values that evolve our time, like changing attitudes toward health, fitness, and modern conventions. Now, the third one is marketing impact. Marketers must skillfully connect with both core and secondary values to resonate with consumers and sales effectively. Now, now this slide is cultural values in BD marketing part one. Let's see how these values work in real Bangladeshi marketing. Look at Eid fashion campaigns. They aren't just about clothes; they are about traditions of family gathering. Then Bikash markets financial inclusions, target the value of self-reliance. Then Walton promotes appliances by showing how they help the busy modern family save time. These brands are successfully because they mirror our culture. Then next slide is cultural values in BD marketing part two. Continuing with example, first of all is motorbikes brands target youth or the subcultures by selling freedom. Then Arong taps into our culture, pride, and patriotism. Even in food brands like Pran success by emphasizing the core values of trust in local and familiar tastes. These brands don't just sell products; they sell feeling that align, with what we already believe. Sorry. Then this slide shows the link to marketing concept. So how does this link to the marketing concept? The marketing concept is about delivering satisfactions. When a company deeply understands culture values, they can align their products to fit those beliefs. For example, if any audience is culturally cautious, promoting safety uh, makes the product feel necessary. This alignment needs to successful purchases because the value feels right to the customer. Then the next slide is this slide shows environmental management perspective. Now let's shift to natural environment. Standard companies just follow environmental laws that is reactive, but companies like Arong with operate with a proactive environmental management perspective. They activity design their business to minimize harm. This is a perfect example of the societal market concept where a company balances the profit with the long-term well-being of a society. Now the next second slide is seventh slide is Arong's sustainable practices. How does Arong do this? First, they source natural materials like jute and cotton instead of polluting synthetics. Second, they use detonized productions, meaning goods are made by artisans in village, not in massive polluting factories. Finally, they manage waste by reusing fabrics, scarves, by marketing these items as a handicraft. They encouraged customer to buy durable products that last longer, reducing waste. Then the slide is and the last slide is conclusion. In conclusion, successful marketing in Bangladesh requires a dual focuses. We must respect the cultural environment to connect with consumer emotionally, as seen with the brands like Bikash and Walton. Simultaneously, we must respect the natural environmental, adapting proactive strategies like Arong to ensure long-term sustainability. By measuring both, a business can then uh, truly their culture. That's all of my presentations. Thanks for your patience.